Igatpuri is steadily emerging as a destination for property investment and second homes, combining natural surroundings, improving connectivity, and promising long-term prospects. But in Igatpuri, a beautiful view alone doesn't make a good property investment. What really matters is what lies behind the opportunity. For second home buyers and property investors, Igatpuri is steadily gaining attention, combining natural surroundings with improving connectivity and long-term potential. Strategically positioned between Mumbai and Nasik, Igatpuri is becoming increasingly accessible. And that is changing how property buyers are looking at this market. With major infrastructure such as the Samruddhi Mahamarg strengthening regional access, Igatpuri's location is becoming even more significant. From Thane, Vashi, Andheri and Dadar, Igatpuri remains within practical reach of the Mumbai metropolitan region. And beyond connectivity, Igatpuri offers something difficult to replicate: misty landscapes, open surroundings, and a distinctive second home environment. But here is where Igatpuri becomes especially interesting. We have access to an exclusive property opportunity that brings together something increasingly difficult to find: clear NA title, private bungalow living, and Igatpuri's extraordinary misty surroundings. This is one such exclusive opportunity in Igatpuri. Clear title NA plots with developed internal roads and the option to create your own private bungalow surrounded by Igatpuri's distinctive mountain landscape. What makes this opportunity especially relevant for serious buyers is the combination of NA land, clear documentation, developed internal access, and the flexibility to create a second home that reflects your own vision. And then there is the atmosphere Igatpuri is known for. During the misty season, fog can transform the surrounding landscape, creating an entirely different experience for second home living. For someone imagining a private bungalow away from the intensity of city life, it is this combination of open land, mountain surroundings, and seasonal mist that makes the opportunity distinctive. Before you buy, always verify, evaluate, and then decide. Looking for a second home, NA plot, or property investment opportunity in Maharashtra or Goa? Connect with Dream Homes by Rahul Gargatte. We'll help you evaluate the right opportunity with complete transparency, proper due diligence, and confidence. For more information on second homes, NA plots, land and property investment opportunities across Maharashtra and Goa, connect with Dream Homes by Rahul Gargatte. Whether you're looking to buy a second home or explore a property investment, our team can help you evaluate the right opportunities and make an informed decision.